All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here. Look at it in the background. Look at that background. Downtown. Beautiful. But over here, third day refinishing this old 1920s hardwood floor. You're going to hear the sander in the background. Ignore that. We've got the floor, like you've seen in the other videos, where we just, we just trowel the entire floor, fill in all the little gaps and cracks. But so here, this is the putty, how it's all been puttied. There's a little sample area we did. So you can see the natural wood, and then with the clear, it darkens it up, because this wood is aged over 100 years. But this, where the putty is, this has been sanded off. We have cut in all these special pieces for the doorways. We're going to finish them. We're not going to install them until later, but this will go up here. See the big crazy height difference? So this will be the same level as the floor. There it goes. It'll fit nice and tight and just ramps down to nothing. But it's good now. I'm going to show you that fireplace. Yeah, here we go, here we go, here we go. Man, be calling me. Remember before in the earlier video, you couldn't even see this walnut. Whew, man, it's going to be pretty. Woo, here we go. Carlos! Carlos, say hi.